Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Chief Executive Officer of Jamaican Teas, John Mafood, is calling for the government of Jamaica to ask the U.S. government to remove the 10% tariff on Jamaican exports as part of its contribution to the country's recovery process from Hurricane Melissa. He told RJR News that this is extremely important because of the fallout in the export sector due to the hurricane, which is causing significant pressure on the exchange rate. A removal of the tariff would lead to more merchandise export earnings, which dropped by 6.8% to US $888.2 million during the first 6 months of this year. Mr. Mafood is also calling for more investment in the country's infrastructure and factories as part of the rebuilding process from the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange report positive upswing in financial results. Proven Group Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending September 30, 2025 reports an 80% increase in net profit attributable to shareholders. Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited unaudited financial results for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports net profit of $25.84 million. Stanley Motor Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports a 29% increase in net profit. Productive Business Solutions Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ended September 30, 2025 reports net profit attributable to shareholders of US $5.27 million. For the trading period ending November 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,089,736 units represented 24.65% of market sales volume. Wigton Energy Limited with 2,811,673 units representing 13.62% of market sales volume. Grace Kennedy Limited with 2,572,647 units represented 12.46% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On November 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $55.62 million purchased and US $52.99 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.92 per dollar, selling the US at $159.76 and buying the US at $161.68. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.21 per transaction, with selling at $115.67 and buying at $110.46. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.94 in profits, with selling at $207.41 and buying at $212.35. For our credit report tip of the day, when the disaster wipes out a business and the owner has no lease, no registration, no paperwork, the credit report becomes a crucial form of verification. It establishes their identity, confirms address history, and shows financial activity that proves they were economically active before the disaster. It also reveals business-related spending, which helps lenders and relief agencies understand the nature of their work, even if the business was informal. A strong credit report helps them qualify for personal loans, emergency credit lines, micro grants, payment holidays, and temporary credit limit increases. It also strengthens application for government and NGO relief programs by offering alternative proof of financial responsibility. Most importantly, it provides a foundation to access capital quickly and eventually transition into formal business structures once they're stable again. In moments when all documents are gone, the credit report becomes one of the most valuable tools for restarting income and rebuilding a business from scratch. In our funded and focused feature, a business compliance health check becomes a powerful catalyst when you're ready to rise to your next level. It brings every part of your business into clear view: your registrations, your filings, financial records, credit profile, and operational systems. So you can see exactly what's strong and what needs refinement for bigger opportunities. As you tighten each area, your confidence grows. As your documents, financials, and structure become more lender ready, doors start opening that once felt out of reach. This isn't about getting organized. It's about stepping into a higher tier of professionalism, funding, partnerships, and strategic focus. When your foundation is solid, your ambition can finally expand without limits. And before we wrap up, we just want to say a special hello to the math department of the Ministry of Education that reached out to us about all the lovely numbers that we use in this report. Thanks for your feedback. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.